Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys a first look at the 2022 Cadillac CT4-V BlackWing and the CT5-V BlackWing. Cadillac has just unrevealed these high performance of the CT4-V and the CT5-V sedans. These sedans are the most track capable Cadillac ever, and the CT5-V BlackWing is the most powerful production Cadillac, which features a 6.2 liter V8 that delivers 668 horsepower and along with 659 pound-feet of torque. And Cadillac says 0 to 60 for the CT5-V BlackWing is 3.7 seconds and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. And that engine is hand assembled by a single technician. Let's talk about the CT4-V BlackWing. It isn't quite thrilling, but Cadillac has updated the twin turbo charged V6 engine. Now that makes 472 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. And the CT4-V BlackWing hits 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, and that has a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The CT5-V is the faster car to choose, and Cadillac gives you two transmission choices, which is a 10-speed automatic, which is available on both cars, but a Tramic 6-speed stick shift is standard. So Cadillac is keeping the manuals alive, and the 6-speed has rev matching, and you cannot get all-wheel drive. Cadillac says it only comes standard with rear-wheel drive, and they both are equipped with an electronic limited slip differential. And looking at the front styling of the CT4-V BlackWing and CT5-V BlackWing, they look more aggressive looking, and everything in the front fascia is functional for cooling, and they come with a 12-inch display, which I do like. I actually tested a CT5 premium luxury. That review will be coming soon to the channel, so you guys be on the lookout for that. And you can reserve either one of these 2022 CT5-V BlackWings or a CT4-V BlackWing, whichever one you will prefer. But honestly, I would just go for the CT5-V BlackWing because it makes over 600 horsepower. And the starting price for the CT4-V BlackWing is at $59,990. The CT5-V, of course, is going to be more expensive with a starting price of $84,990. And they won't be available until the summer of 2021. So right now is a great time to order one. You have to go to Cadillac's website to put a down deposit. Once you put a deposit, Cadillac will give you basically a plaque with your name on it and what number of the vehicle that you have, which I think is a nice additional touch that Cadillac is offering. But overall, I hope you guys have enjoyed this first look here on the 2022 Cadillac CT4-V BlackWing and also the CT5-V BlackWing. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DriveOnReviews. If you guys are new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to support the channel, just check out the description box down below. And please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.